In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a YouTube video into Canva presentations. This simple method is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their Canva slides with engaging video content directly from YouTube. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, you need to open your Canva design where you want to embed the video. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface. You will see a variety of options and tools there. Look for the embed option, which allows you to incorporate external content, such as YouTube videos, directly into your Canva presentation. This is a powerful feature for adding dynamic content to your slide deck. Clicking on embed will open a new window or sidebar where you can input external links. Next, head over to YouTube to find the video you want to include. Once you've located the video, simply copy its URL from the address bar. Make sure you have copied the correct link to avoid any errors when embedding the video. Now return to your Canva project and paste this YouTube link into the box provided in the embed window. This simple action tells Canva which video you'd like to include in your presentation. Pasting the link might start an automatic preview showing you how the video will appear once embedded. After pasting the URL, you need to confirm the action to add the video to your design. You can do this by clicking on the Add to Design button. This step effectively places the video into your Canva presentation, where it can be resized and positioned just like any other image or element. You might want to take some time to adjust the size and placement to better fit the style and layout of your presentation. Once the video is integrated, you can test it by clicking on it within the Canva interface. This ensures that everything is working correctly and gives you a chance to refine its placement if necessary. Remember, embedding videos can significantly enhance your presentations by keeping the audience engaged and providing supplementary information in a dynamic way. Plus, using a YouTube video means you can share a wide range of content, from educational material to entertaining clips directly within your slides. And there you have it, the simple and effective way to incorporate YouTube videos into your Canva presentations. This method can add a fresh, engaging layer to your documents, making them more interactive and visually appealing. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your presentations and impress your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.